You should have captured that.
I got it on tape. I'm recording it.
What is he doing?
He's like,
He stuck his head in the glass and must have got water on his forehead.
hey, come here. Binksy. Binksy, come here. Binksy.
Can you send that to him?
Yeah. Binksy.
Oh.
Hey. There you go. Come here. Oh, look at him.
Oh.
Say hi, Tiger.
Tiger.
Tiger. Binksy, come here.
Tiger.
Binksy.
Binksy, where you at? Pat, you should see. We're gonna keep.
Binksy, where are you? Look who's here. Look who's here. Look at him.
Pat. Pat, look at the guy.
No, don't hurt him.
I just got home. Here, I'll give you a call. I'll give you tomorrow or something. But...
Hey.
All right, well,
Hey.
Look at this little dog.